Hello students, in previous session we have seen what is series circuit, what is meant by parallel circuit. After that we have seen the resistors are connected in series circuit and the resistors are connected in parallel circuit. Today we will discuss the difference between series and parallel circuit. So the first point, we can draw a diagram considering the concept. For the series, we can say that when two or more resistors are connected in same line or back to back or one after another, that circuit is called as series circuit. So here in series circuit, we have considered three resistors R1, R2 and R3. These resistors are connected in the same line or one after another. So this circuit is called as series circuit. In the second side, parallel circuit of resistance, here again three resistors are connected R1, R2, R3. So these resistors are connected in such a way that one terminal of each resistance is connected to form a junction point, while another terminal of each resistance is connected to form another junction point. Such a fashion is called as parallel circuit of resistance. For series circuit, same current flows through each resistance. For parallel circuit, different current flows through each resistance. For series circuit, the voltage drop across each resistor is different. The voltage drop across each resistance is same. These 2 points are very important for series circuit and for parallel circuit. To calculate equivalent resistance for the series circuit, the formula is R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. To calculate equivalent resistance for the parallel circuit, the formula is 1 upon R divided 1 upon R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. The equivalent resistance for the series circuit is the largest resistance of all the individual resistance in the circuit. The equivalent resistance for the parallel circuit is the smallest resistance of all the individual resistance in the circuit. The example of series circuit of resistance is lightning the bulb line, and the best example for parallel circuit of resistance is home appliances, bulb, tube, etc. As we have seen the concept of when the resistance are connected in series and the resistance are connected in parallel. After that we have seen the main difference between series and parallel circuit. Now we will discuss some numericals on. So let us discuss the first numerical. Determine the following quantities for the given circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, three resistors are given which having value 20 ohm, 30 ohm and 50 ohm, and the voltage which having value 125 volt is applied across these resistors. As these three resistors are connected one after another or in the same line, so we can say that the circuit is for the resistors are connected in series way. So for this circuit diagram, we have to calculate equivalent resistance and the current from the power supply. For the given circuit diagram, we have to calculate equivalent resistance of the circuit and the current flowing through the circuit for the voltage which having value 125 volt. First we'll note the given quantities here. Here two parameters are given. The value of voltage is given. This is nothing but 125 volt, and the value of resistances are given R1, R2 and R3 which having value 20 ohm, 30 ohm and 50 ohm respectively. So first we will calculate equivalent resistance of the circuit. As we have already seen that this circuit is for series, concept. So the formula for the resistance which are connected in series, the formula is R equivalent equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So we can say R equivalent or Rs equals to 20 plus 30 plus 50 ohm. If we will calculate this, we will get the total series resistance of the circuit is 100 ohm. As we have already discussed the point, the equivalent resistance for the series concept, the equivalent resistance having largest value, if we'll consider the value of all resistance R1, R2, R3 and RS, we can say that RS having largest value as compared to R1, R2 and R3. So the equivalent series resistance having value 100 ohm. Now second parameter, we have to calculate total current flowing through the circuit when voltage having value 125 volt. So the total current is determined by the voltage of the power supply and the equivalent resistance of the circuit, and according to Ohm's law we can write the equation IT equals to VT by RT. We have to calculate total current, so we have indicated it is at IT. So IT equals to VT by RT. VT is nothing but the total voltage or applied voltage, and RT is nothing but the total circuit resistance. We can say it is the equivalent resistance, we can say it is a series resistance. So if we'll put value of VT and RT, VT is 125 and RT is 100 ohm. If we will calculate the value of Vt by Rt, that is 125 divided by 100, so we will get the total current flowing through the circuit when 125 voltage is applied across 3 resistor R1, R2, R3. The total current value is 1.25 ampere. Now we'll discuss second example. Determine following quantities for the circuit. We have to calculate equivalent resistance and the current from the power supply. If we will see this diagram, here three resistors are given having value 20 ohm, 100 ohm and 50 ohm. These resistors are connected in parallel fashion, and 125 voltage is applied across these three resistors. So first we will calculate equivalent resistance of this. We know the formula to calculate equivalent resistance of the parallel circuit. So 1 by R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So first note the given quantities. R1 is nothing but 20 ohm, R2 is 100 ohm and R3 is 50 ohm. So if we will put this value and we will, if we have calculate the ratios and after that we will add it, the total or equivalent resistance of the circuit is 12.5 ohm. The second parameter, we have to calculate total current flowing through the circuit, which is determined by voltage of the power supply and equivalent resistance of the circuit. Equivalent resistance we have already calculated, which having value 12.5 ohm. Voltage is given, it is 125 volts. So for this parallel circuit we can calculate current IT equals to VT by RT. VT is 125 volt and RT is 12.5. So if we take the ratio, we will get the total current flowing through the circuit is 10 ampere for the voltage rating 125 volt, and for the three resistors which are connected in parallel R1, R2, R3. So the total current value is 10 ampere. Third example is determine equivalent resistance of the circuit as well as again current from the power supply. This time the voltage rating is 7 volt and the three resistors are given 100 ohm, 400 ohm and 200 ohm, as these three resistors are connected one after another. So this is again the circuit which having names resistance are connected in series. So we will calculate equivalent resistance of the circuit. So R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is RS equals to 100 plus 400 plus 200, that is if we will take the addition, total equivalent resistance of the circuit is 700 ohm. Now we will calculate total current flowing through the circuit for the voltage rating 7 volt. The current I passing through R1, R2 and R3 is the same and it is calculated as follows. So the formula for current is IT equals to VT by RT. So 7 volt divided by 700 ohm. How the 700 ohm we have considered? 700 ohm is nothing but the total equivalent resistance of the circuit we have initially calculated. So if we take the ratio of 7 volt divided by 700 ohm, the total current flowing through the circuit having value which will come 0.01 ampere. If we'll go for the another example, find current I in the circuit shown below and the current passing through each of the resistor in the circuit. Again the rating of current rating is given, voltage rating is given 7 volt. We have to calculate current flowing through each resistor. The resistor values are given 100 ohm, 400 ohm and 200 ohm respectively. See, these three resistors are connected in parallel fashion, so current flowing through the three resistors are different. First we will calculate total resistance of the circuit. The total resistance of the circuit we can calculate by the formula 1 upon R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 400 plus 1 upon 200, and if we will solve this we will get total resistance or equivalent resistance of the circuit equals to 57.14 ohm. Now we will calculate total current. See, we have to calculate total current. If this current will divided in three resistors R1, R2, R3, that time the current flowing through individual resistance is I1, I2, I3. But we have to calculate total current here. So the formula to calculate total current is IT equals to VT by RT. VT value is given, that is voltage value is given here, 7 volt rating is given, and total resistance of the circuit we have initially calculated is 57.14. So if we will take the ratio 7 volt divided by 57.14, it will come 0.1225 ampere current flows through the circuit when voltage of 7 volt is applied across the three resistors which are connected in parallel fashion. Thank you.